This topic is about understanding the concept of motivation. Why people do what they do. Points out about human motivation help explain the complicated relationship between personal goals and work behavior. First is satisfied need is not a motivator. People are motivated by what they don't have or have done without. Second is a need that is not fully satisfied. Employee motivation and company success are related. Employment security, empowered team and declaration, high compensation, extensive training, reduced status restrictions and barriers, sharing of information. Third is psychological needs and social values are not same. Psychological forces are the same but the values are not. Psychological needs explain human motivation. Social values are the ethics concern. Next is the same act can satisfy any motivation levels. One person may work to survive, another may do the same job for recognition or personal satisfaction. All people have the same needs but different degrees and accompanied by different wants. What it takes and how much vary by person. A person can be deficiency motivated, bringing harm to self or others. It is possible to have a fixation so strong it can lead to destructive behavior. Second is a healthy person is ready to satisfy other needs. Seventh is unsatisfied needs can harm your health. A motivation condition can develop to satisfy the unsatisfied need. What a leader does will vary with the circumstances. Next is the leadership is the important meeting employee needs and preventing motivation problems. What a leader does will vary with the circumstances, and the ideal is to integrate the needs of individual with the goals of the organization. The needs of the individual can be satisfied while advancing the goals of the organization. Today's topic is about understanding the concept of motivation and complicated relationship between personal goals and work behavior, in which we look satisfied need is not a motivator, employee motivation, psychological needs, social values are not the same. The same act can satisfy any motivational levels. All people have the same needs. A person can be deficiency motivated. Unsatisfied needs can harm your health. Leadership is important in meeting employee needs and preventing motivation problems. The ideal to integrate the needs of individual with the goals of the organization. I hope you understand all these topics.